thought this is where the new was.
Place of chasing all those places.
What was it?
Recovery house, really house for it's nice to have knocked on down though.
Oh no.
I've seen you there.
Oh yeah, you haven't seen me.
Oh, yeah.
We open tomorrow.
Oh, right.
Yes.
What was next door?
Yeah. That's the old brewery house, that is. Now it's the people who are in between houses.
Oh
Oh, right. This is the.
right. That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. It's like a little oasis. This is.
Yeah, because
Is that from like the
No, there's still one in Bowling Green. There's still one in Castle Ground, but this is, you know.
I used to go to the one down by Oswald Green.
Yes, on, yeah.
I used to go there.
So where do you live?
I live in Sutton.
Oh, right.
The Bowls there.
You've got the pillbox
I
there.
watched them knock down the old pub
Yes.
and see them all digging up the green. I felt that's.
I know. Well, this is.
That's
This,
why he's really in tears.
well, we own this, you said.
Yeah.
So.
Can I just take a quick clip?
Yeah, I mean, you've got the pillbox.
Oh,
Now you can
gosh.
see that from the front road as well, because they just took down all the hedge at the front. But a couple of months ago, you couldn't see it from the front.
What did you do there? Then
No, that's the Second World War pillbox. You've got one down by the river there.
Is this where it's stationed?
Pardon?
That's where it was stationed here, was it?
I don't know.
Because the front line worked now.
It's a bit different from the pillboxes down by the rivers.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a square one. It's had a window each side.
Yeah.
It's had a window each side so they can look out see if the Germans are coming. And then Victorian follies, those two.
Oh,
The ladies in that one used to look out for them holes at the gentlemen bowling on here. I mean,
really?
yes, it's about 1840 something this opened
Isn't
up.
it?
Robert Peel bowled here, Prime Minister.
Really?
And then Peter Tamworth.
Oh.
Yes.
It's a lot of history here,
It is, yeah. So, I mean, I look after the green, so
Yeah, it's lovely, yeah.
it's getting there.
Well, so sad to see the one at Royal Green, that one.
Oh yeah, I don't know, I didn't know that one, but
But that was, I was talking to the guys there, Rob was 2 foot, and there was 100 years the bowling club was there.
yeah.
There's no regard to
No, I know.
what they felt.
No, this will never.
That's a good thing, isn't it?
The only trouble with the brewery house, we're going to get the cooking with all those.
What is the green edge? What is it?
That is a place for people in between houses.
Oh, what's
You know, you've got Somalians in there who want to find out.
yeah.
I mean, the council pay the Castle Hotel to put them in there. But I think there's changes afoot where they're going to have them as flats.
Yeah.
So that'd be great for us. You know, people overlooking that, looking onto the green, fantastic. But we're opening up tomorrow, so we've done all the work. We've painted the benches and got it all nice.
Can I take a shot from the side?
Yeah, sure, mate, do that.
tomorrow? Is that
We open at 12 o'clock tomorrow, yes.
Did you know
Our
that's
first
the electric
bowls.
fence?
Is
To
it?
keep the foxes out.
Yes, it's not on at the moment, it's on the timer, so it comes on obviously when it's dark. But we had trouble with foxes a couple of years ago. Every morning I come, I'd have to fill the hole in. I said to the members, look, the only way is electric fence. So it's all round there. It's not in the way of the members.
No,
And
it's
luckily
not
the foxes
hurting
haven't learned a way to come down here.
Yeah,
It's way back as well, so you know it's great.
Yeah.
And since we had that done, there's been no foxes on the grill.
It doesn't feel like a difference.
You know, it's a little.
Yeah.
I mean, actually, I touch it at night to make sure it's coming on.
Yeah.
You know, if I'm round it, I touch it, make sure it's moving.
Yeah.
It's only a little.
Yeah. But you lifted it too.
Well, what I did, I put some baking slices on the first night, and in the morning, baking slices were still there. So that meant they had to go to them, but
Oh, yeah.
must have got the nose.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite. I mean, you've got that's beautiful in the background.
Yeah, fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah,
They're doing some work in the castle, aren't they? I noticed.
Yes, actually, that's scaffold. I wonder what it was, but they're doing that wall round, and the only way they could get to it
Yeah.
was by putting that scaffolding up. You see?
Yeah.
To get up to it.
To get up to it. It's been taking over a week to go up to that, go right up. But that's the only way they could get to it, you see. With all the stuff.
You watched them put them up, haven't you?
Pardon?
watched them, yeah.
Bit by bit. When I started, I thought, what the hell are they doing? Is it a stand for the mayor or something to stand on or something? Salute everybody.
I was going to go that flag because we asked them.
Oh yeah, I'm not quite sure about that one. I'll have to have a look on the old
I know I'm really good at it.
Sometimes had the Ukrainian flag, and obviously the Union Jack if there's some royal thing.
Yeah.
You know, so they do change it from time to time.
That will
And a Christmas flag as well, they have as well.
Christmas flag.
Yeah, like a Christmas, Santa or something. Yeah. So no, it's
nice.
quite historic it is, and this is just a.
Oh, thanks for
There's
letting us
some-
know.
That's all right.
Bigger than what the Pole Ball Green or the standard.
It is bigger, isn't
This
it?
is crown green, which hasn't got much of a crown in the middle like some of them have.
Yeah.
So with flat green, you just go up and down the same ring. But crown green, you can go wherever you want. You know.
This paper was a guy years ago and used to think, after the other day when playing football, I watching play bowls down Ball Green.
Yeah, it is nice.
Yeah.
I mean, I started 2-3 years ago. When we couldn't afford the contracts, I took over looking after the green, which is what I enjoy doing. So I mean, I don't get paid, but it's just nice to come down. It's so peaceful, away from everybody, and nobody can see you as well. You know, it is nice. It is nice, isn't it? Especially on this lovely summer afternoon down here.
You've got the birds.
Yeah, you've got the birds, benches of indoor, the flowers. Yeah, so.
It's a lovely day today, really.
That's
it. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah. I thought I could see you doing things. I thought,
We wouldn't have seen it otherwise.
No.
If you pass it all the time, just pop in.
All right.
We've got a bar, Phil.
Phil.
Yeah, we've got a bar in the kettle and
So
everything.
you don't have to join the club to come in, you have to join.
Social members £20 for the year.
Oh, that's all right.
Where you can come and then you pay an extra £3 for every bowl.
Oh, that's all
So I mean, full membership is £100.
right.
I mean, if you're doing some shopping, if you're off, fancy sit down. Always come in. Always go in and make yourself a cup of tea or something. So wherever you're around, it's on the weekend.
Good to know.
Pop in.
Thanks.
That's
Okay.
all right. I'm trying to make it less private.
Yeah. Sometimes you pass by, you just speak, you don't know what's what, do you?
I know. Better be on the little green door, you know.
Oh, no.
Thanks, you, anyway.
Oh, it's nice to see you.
And
Okay,
you,
thank you.
thanks a lot.
Bye-bye. See you again sometime.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, okay,
Bye.
bye.
Is that your lawyer?
Yeah, that used to be outside the castle. I think it was, it might have been. Looks a bit. It's nice for you, isn't it? Yes.
Some people like you say, look at me. And I've got more information there. I could do a little clip later on the video, you know. Nobody else has done. I'll set up.
very simple, isn't
What was it moved from? Was it moved from somewhere else to here?
it? Wasn't it? It was always here.
No, but the pillboxes would be used in the battle.
There's some more pillboxes in the fields, and there is, but I didn't know what they were. I thought they were for the water.
They must have been rebuilt here because they can tell the bricks have been rebuilt twice. World War
They
II
weren't the same
in
bricks,
Germany.
did they? Yeah,
But you would have pillboxes here, would you? Unless they'd be.
well, World War II, don't forget, this part didn't look like this then.
They didn't know in case of an invasion, you mean?
Yeah.
They'd dinosaurs, you know.
But you could have seen probably right over there then.
That's true.
I think some
He was talking about that's why he's so important with talking. So it's got a second car.